Replace a 440-volt alternating current capacitor only with a 440-volt alternating current rated unit to maintain safety and reliability. When swapping a capacitor, start by confirming the voltage rating stamped on its casing and match it exactly to 440-volt alternating current when specified, because underrating can lead to rapid failure or fire. Check the capacitance value in microfarads and keep tolerance within the original range, using a precision meter to verify if the old part is still within spec before replacement. Use the same capacitor type, for example motor run or motor start, since start capacitors are designed for short duration high current and are not interchangeable with run capacitors. Pay attention to physical size and terminal style, so installation is secure and leads do not stress solder points or insulation. If terminals differ, use appropriate insulated leads and ring or spade connectors rated for the application. Always isolate power. Discharge the capacitor safely using a resistor rated for the job and verify zero voltage with a meter before touching terminals. For safety, choose capacitors from reputable manufacturers with clear temperature and ripple current ratings, and store spares in a dry, temperature-stable place to avoid dielectric degradation. The three most common mistakes are using a lower voltage rated replacement, which causes premature failure and a safety hazard, so always match the 440-volt alternating current rating exactly. Another common issue is swapping a run capacitor for a start capacitor or vice versa, which changes circuit timing and can damage the motor, so verify the capacitor type and application before installing. The third frequent problem is failing to discharge the old capacitor and getting shocked. So always discharge through an appropriate resistor and confirm 0 volts to protect yourself and the equipment. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors by listing professionals and providing project-oriented discussion forums where we trade real-world tips and contractor experiences. We also help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase services and participate in our community to build reputation and receive direct inquiries.